Hi Manny, just a quick video showing you how I create size box lengths in the 2D Caxter draft drawing. In this model here I've got three cut lengths, two of which are one length and one is a different length. So that one there is 200, so is that one, and this one in the middle here is actually 200 long. I tend to use the L option within size box for length when I'm creating the size box lengths for cutting this. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to File and I'm going to go to New Caxter Draft. So I'll just come down here, File, let's go to New Caxter Draft. So I fire up a new drawing, and under here we've actually got our Import 3D BOM, as you're aware, 3D interface. So I'm going to do a standard view of this. So I'm just going to say from the file, and I'll have, no, in actual fact, that doesn't matter, I'll do it from File. Then I'll just select the primary view there and go OK. So there's our three lengths there. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Format here, and I'm going to go to BOM. And down here, if you look at the BOM here, we haven't actually got a length option set. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the source one down here, which is a redundant one that I don't use. And I'm just going to put length in here like that. And I'm going to come down here for the cell name, and I'll call that length, like so. And I'll give it a cell width of say 50, and I'll apply. So basically we've got that like so. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Import 3D BOM, and I'm just going to uncheck this box here, and if we come down here you can see that we've actually got our length in this cut lengths as ICS import settings drawing file, which I've got. And basically if I come down here, I can actually assign whatever size box property I want there. For this one I'm actually going to just use the size box length, which is already set, and so I'll just check that one there and go OK. And so basically now what we've actually got our size box length, and it's showing on the BOM down here, length. And what you can also do is, if you go to merge option here, you can actually look at items you wish to sum. So for instance, I've got length there, so I'm going to add that one to that. Come up here and we should also see length here in the merge by. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to say OK to that, and now I'm going to select merge box here in the fill in BOM box and just go OK. So now when I come in here you can actually see that we've actually now got that as a merge setting. So we've got two at 200 long with a net length of 400. So that's basically how I actually create cut lengths. If I do an undo here, let's go back, and you can see that in actual fact before I merge them we've actually got two at 200 long each. So you can actually merge the lengths as well, so you get a sum total for the lengths, and that's the way I do it. So as I say, that's pretty much the way to do it. With respect to your 999 figure that you're getting a problem with, what I suggest you do, in actual fact, let's come out of this, I'll get rid of that. If you go to up here, if we go to File, and if we go, in actual fact we go to Tools there, and under Options in here you've also got under General, if you scroll down, you should have somewhere in here, let me find it, there we are, Precision Settings, Precision displayed in dialogues, number of decimal places. I would change that to maybe settings I've got here, number of decimal places 3, and also number of precision of decimal places, I'll put that to 2. So if you set that and say OK to that, I think that might overcome your issue with the discrepancy on size box lengths. I think you use size box heights, but that should overcome the problem for you, and I hope that's of some help. Cheers mate.